There are 4 Labiovelars in Ge'ez alphabet, and each 4 Labiovelars has 5 variants. In this lesson, we are going to pronounce 4 Ge'ez Labiovelars with each 5 variants. Simply, Ge'ez Labiovelars are formed with velar letters and labialization. To notice here, velar letters are K, glottalized K, K, and G. This is a voiced velar letter. Now, from these velar letters and labialization, we get Ge'ez Labiovelars. In Ge'ez Labiovelars, there is no second and fifth variants. So, there are 5 variants totally in Ge'ez Labiovelars. Let's pronounce it accurately and simply. Follow and try saying velar letters while rounding your lips. Que, qui, qua, que, que, gue, qui, qua, gue, que, qua, qui, qua, que, que, qui, qua, que, que.